3. Dodge Caliber won't start, part 3. Part 3. We had an awful rainstorm this winter, and I'd like to say that I got this product as what is it, wire for to take the water off of wires. There's that gunk. Gunk is what it's called, but
yeah, but you can always spray WD-4 on your wires too. To displace the water.
Yeah, to displace the water.
Yeah.
So and it's all up in here. As you can see, all that was soaked. And I couldn't get it going. I couldn't get the car going. And I sprayed that gunk all over it and waited and sprayed more gunk. I even sprayed on top of the battery because I've seen some corrosion and stuff. And at the end of it worked out really good. It started. And it's been running ever since. So there you have it. Thanks for coming out. Share, subscribe, like, and thank you for your time. And happy driving your Caliber. Bye.